Hello everyone. Today I'm teaching you guys how to start programming in Java in a basic Hello World program. So you need to install three things. The first one is Java. Just go to java.com, download this, go to download the JDK, get the website. It's gonna look. Just Google JDK. Go to JDK download for SE16, and then go to SE64 installer. Then you need some kind of IDE. I recommend IntelliJ IDE. Also Eclipse as an IDE. This is also pretty popular. Right here. There's also Sublime Text, which I've actually never used. So it kind of really help you. But I've used Eclipse before, not that much though, because I prefer IntelliJ. Sublime Text is also pretty good. But I'm using IntelliJ for this tutorial. I recommend staying away from VS Code because it sucks as a Java IDE. It relies too much on plugins that don't like to work with each other, and the project management for it just doesn't work that well. So I recommend staying away from it and to just stick with IntelliJ, IDEA, or Eclipse. Those are my two recommendations. So once you have all those three installed, go ahead and open up IntelliJ. Close out this, and you're going to create a new project. When we first open it up, it's going to ask for a bunch of basic settings. But actually, before we do this, one last thing. In here, type in environment variables. Go to environment variables, and then make sure you set Java_home. If you don't have it, press new, name Java_home, browse directory. And make sure you select the folder called JDK 16.0.1 or whatever the JDK folder is. And then for your path, edit, make sure you have path as the same thing. You need that in order for it to work. Sometimes it does automatically, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so now that we've done that, now we create a new project. Make sure you select Java on the left here. Next, next, name it something. I'm naming it tutorial. Go to the project location, I have mine here. Finish. Now it's going to do this. So you're going to have a folder here called source. This is where you're going to put in your code. There's a folder called .idea, and this is just a bunch of project settings. But in source, we're going to do new Java class, and whatever you want. I'm naming this tutorial class. And in it, you are going to type in public static void main string, then two brackets args, then bracket, then not bracket, curly brackets or curly braces, and then system.out.println, then in quotation marks hello world. Now you can't run this yet because you haven't set up a build configuration. So if you go to or run configuration, so if you go up here with configurations, plus sign application, name it whatever you want. I'm naming my name. For main class, click here, click that. Working directory is fine the way it is. Press, and then it's okay, yeah, that's good. Press run. You're going to see in a console that shows up down below, it says hello world. So that is a simple program, the most textbook based one, and how to set up your computer to be programming Java. Next video, we're talking about different data types and what all of this means. So I'll see you then.